Welcome to Arabic is on channel. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, whatever you want in Arabic alphabet or whatever, this is a channel for you. Please share to anyone who wants to benefit from this channel and learning Arabic. The lesson for today is harful ghayn, 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 ghayn. So ghayn, this is how you write it in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. The middle and the end has two ways of writing, and that's what it is. Alright, so ghayn has a dot on top and ayn has no dot, and this is how we read it with fatha, dhamma, kasra, gha, ghu, ghi. If you don't know what fatha, dhamma, kasra is, please refer to the previous video so you'll know what I'm talking about. Also, this is mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya, gha, ghu, ghi, gha, ghu, ghi, gha, ghu, ghi. Okay, let's put it into usage. Let's write ghayn and ba and put the vowels. So this is ghayn and ba, mad bil alif in the green, and then fatha in the green. We read it as ghaba, he is absent. Ghaba, he is absent, he's not there. Ghaba, ghaba. And then for female, we add ta. It's called the female, ta for female. We add ta and sukun. So we say ghabat. But she is absent. She is absent. Alright, so what else? Let's put another word. Ghaba and ghabat are verbs. Ghaba, he is absent in the past tense, and ghabat, she is absent in the past tense. We used mad bil alif and we used the fatha and sukun. Okay, let's use the adjective of ghaba. What do we call a person who is absent? We call him, for a male, ghaib. Ghaib. So this is the first time that we use hamza in the middle of the word, and this is how we write it. We put a little line, like a chair that it sits on, and then we have the kasra, and we call that as ghaib. We've reached the end of the video. That was as short as possible so that you'll have the time to actually study, and if you don't, you can just repeat the video, go back to it over and over again. We're going to study the numbers from 71 to 80. It's 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Alright, this is a channel for you if you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic. Also, if you want to read Arabic for Quran purposes, reading Quran, or for furthering your career, or for personal reasons, this is a channel for you. Please share it and keep watching. Thank you for watching.